Welcome. I'm Mr. Campbell. I'm the robotics teacher. Um, I will tell you briefly about the robotics class. The class is based on the First Tech Challenge. It's a robotics competition that is across the entire world. And our class is based on building robots to meet the challenge of the First Robotics Challenge. So let's. First Robotics. The question is, what is it? It is the number one use serving nonprofit advanced STEM education in the country. And it prepares kids for the 21st century. It brings them STEM skills, more than just building robots, but helping them create and use their imaginations to build robots and solve problems. The kids are broken up into teams or groups in the class. They are given equipment to use. They learn the safety behind it and how to manage a project. For the last 5 years, I've been the robotics teacher, sorry, actually coach, and recently became the teacher last year. So I help the students as best I can with things that they're going to be doing. So the impact of the class is this. They will be more likely to go and do things in the STEM field if they take the class. They will have a chance to gain better understanding of if they have any limits to their building skills or writing skills, or just a chance to compete against other people and other schools around New Jersey. Now, your students who are in the class don't have to compete in the competition, but I do recommend, if your students do like robotics, they should think about doing robotics as something, as part of the club. So they'll learn the simple things of how an engineering notebook is done, how to communicate with others, conflict resolution, time management, and once again, I'll say problem solving. They will gain that skill. When you have to work with multiple people who have multiple interests and you're all trying to build the same thing, you're all going to run into having to compromise. Each season, a new challenge comes up. So each year, the kids who did something last year, it'll be a whole completely new challenge. So it's a class that the kids will never get bored of because each year it changes. Over the past several years, these are the competitions we have done. We did the Rover Ruckus last year, and this time we are doing another activity, which we'll get into. It's more virtual right now, but we are working through it. I won't go too deep into the teams. This is stuff about the junior stuff with Legos, but this is us. In 2018, 2019, as you see, over almost 7,000 teams competed, over 68,000 students in 37 countries. Our school itself, we once again, unfortunately, missed the states very close. We actually almost made it the last 2 years to the state competition level. But we're striving, and now that I'm in charge of the robotics class, we will have a chance to use the students to help foster the team to make the team better each year. So, if you have any questions about the robotics class, please contact me at vcampbell@nellieschools.org.